Arthur, my app is finally stable. So naturally, the universe found a new way to hurt me.
What now?
The uploads everyone posts selfies, my EC2 instance's disk filled up, and at 2 a.m. I got the world's saddest error. No space left on device.
Perfect timing, because Monday's promise comes due today. The bottomless bucket. S3.
The bucket. The bucket? The one you've been teasing for 2 weeks?
Simple storage service. The oldest AWS service. It launched in 2006 before EC2. And it will solve your 2 a.m. problem forever.
Big claim? What is it?
A place to throw files, photos, videos, backups, anything. S3 calls them objects, and they live in buckets.
Buckets? Actual technical term?
Actual technical term. And here's the part that fixes your night. A bucket has no size limit. None.
Sorry, no limit? I can throw in a terabyte?
A terabyte, a petabyte. Keep going. Nobody's ever filled one. You pay only for what's inside.
So my uploads go into the bucket instead of my instance's disk?
And your instance goes back to doing its one job, running code. Files live in S3, compute lives on EC2. Separation of concerns.
Okay, but now all my users' selfies are in one bucket. What if it breaks? Disks die? You taught me that?
Here's S3's superpower. Every object is automatically copied across at least 3 separate data centers, different buildings, miles apart.
So one building can literally burn down?
And your selfies don't even notice. AWS designs it for 11 nines of durability. That's 99.9999999%.
How many nines?
11. Store 10 million files, and statistically, you might lose one every 10,000 years.
My laptop has 0 nines. My laptop is a coin flip.
Which is why the whole internet keeps its files here.
Quick pause. If a disk full error at 2 a.m. brought you here, this channel does one cloud idea per weekday, 5 minutes each. Follow along. The map builds fast.
I'm biased, but do it. All right, the dreaded question. What does the bottomless bucket cost?
About 2 cents per gigabyte per month. Standard tier, first chunk.
2 cents?
100 gigabytes of selfies. About $2.30 a month. 1 coffee.
A coffee a month? For 100 gigs backed up across 3 buildings?
And it gets cheaper if the files sleep. Storage classes. Files you rarely touch move to colder, cheaper tiers.
Colder?
Think freezer. Glacier Deep Archive is the deep freezer, about 1/10 of a cent per gigabyte. Old logs, old backups, 1,000 gigabytes for about $1 a month.
A terabyte? $1? What's the catch?
Retrieval takes hours instead of milliseconds, and pulling data out costs extra. Freezer rules. Cheap to store, slow to thaw.
So, hot bucket for selfies, freezer for the stuff lawyers make me keep?
You're pricing like a cloud architect now. Land it, Lucius. What's S3?
S3 is the bottomless bucket. Throw in any file, any amount, pay about 2 cents a gig. Every file is copied across at least 3 data centers. 11 nines, the building can burn, my selfies survive. And sleepy files go to the freezer tiers for basically pennies, my disk will never fill again.
Perfect. Next Wednesday, Google's bucket, cloud storage. Spoiler, it translates.
It always translates. See you then.